Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy baby Dogecoin on Binance. So to buy this coin, as you can see, it is not on Binance, on the markets, but you can still buy it. Once you are on your Binance application, you want to click a web-free wallet, and you want to be on this wallet. Now you will see crypto, and you want to click manage tokens, and you want to search for baby Doge. Let's search for it, just like so. Now you want to toggle those on. If you want to buy baby Doge on Ethereum network, you will toggle that on. And once you click on it, as you can see, you cannot buy it here. But what you can do is swap. So you want to click swap option in the middle. You want to choose from what you want to go ahead and exchange it. So if baby Doge is on the Ethereum network, it's the best to exchange it from Ethereum or from USDT, just like so. After that, you want to enter the amount which you want to go ahead and spend, and that's how much baby Doge you will get. You will see the provider and the network fees and so on and so forth. So after that, you're just gonna go ahead and swap it, and you will see it on your wallet right there on crypto. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.